Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is a series of Vishnu Sahasranam, and currently you're watching the 14th video of the series where we are going to cover shlokas from 91 till end. So stay tuned. Let's get started.
91st श्लोक भारभृत कथितो योगी योगीश सर्वकामदः आश्रम श्रवण क्षाम सुपर्णो वायुवाहनः Bharabhrut, one who carries the load of all the universe. Kathita, one who is glorified in all scriptures. Yogi, one who can be realized through yoga. Yogishaha, the king of yogis. Sarvakamadaha, one who fulfills all desires of true devotees. Ashramaha, heaven. Shramana, one who persecutes the worldly people. Kshamaha, one who destroys everything. Suparnaha, the golden leaf. Vayuvahanaha, the mower of the winds. 92nd श्लोक धनुर्धरो धनुर्वेदो दंडो दमयिता दमः अपराजित सर्वसहो नियंता नियमो यमः धनुर्धर the wielder of the bow. Dhanurveda, one who declared the science of archery. Dandaha, one who punishes the wicked. Damaida, the controller. Dama, beauty, beatitude in the self. Aparajita, one who cannot be defeated. Sarvasaha, one who carries the entire universe. Aniyanta, one who has no controller. Niyamaha, one who is not under anyone's laws. Ayamaha, one who knows no death. 93rd श्लोका सत्ववान् सात्विकः सत्य सत्यधर्मपरायणः अभिप्रायः प्रियार्हो अर्हः प्रियकृत् प्रीतिवर्धनः Satwavan, one who is full of exploits and courage. Satvikah, one who is full of sattvic qualities. Satyah, truth. Satyadharma parakramah, one who is the very abode of truth and dharma. Abhiprayah, one who is faced by all seekers matching to the infinite. Priyarha, one who deserves all our love. Arha, one who deserves to be worshipped. Priyakrut, one who is ever obliging in fulfilling our wishes. Priti one who increases joy in the devotee's heart. 94th shloka Vihaya Sagatirjyoti Suruchirhudbhuk Vibhu Ravirvirochana Surya Savitara Vilochanaha Vihaya Sagati, one who travels in the space. Jyotihi, self-fulgent. Suruchihi, whose desire manifest as the universe. Hutbhuk, one who enjoys all that is offered in yajna. Vibhuhu, the pervading. Ravihi, one who tries up everything. Virochanaha, one who shines in different forms. Suryaha, the one source from where everything is born. Savita, the one who brings forth the universe from himself. Ravilochanaha, one whose eye is the sun. 95th श्लोक अनंतो हुद्भुग्भोक्ता सुखदो नैकजोग्रजः अनिर्विण्णः सदामर्षि लोकधिष्ठानमद्भुतः Ananta, endless. Hutbhuk, one who accepts oblation. Bhokta, one who enjoys. Sukhadaha, giver of bliss to those who are liberated. Naikajaha, one who is born many times. Agrajaha, the first among eternal. Pradhana Purusha. Agra means first and Ajaha means never born. Both individual souls and Vishnu are eternal, but Ishvara is Pradhana Tattva, hence the word Agra. Anirvinnaha, one who feels no disappointment. Sadamarshi, one who forgives the trespasses of his devotees. Lokadishtanam, the substratum of the universe. 96th shloka सनात् सनातनमः कपिलः कपिरव्ययः स्वस्तिदः स्वस्तिकृत् स्वस्ति स्वस्तिभुक् स्वस्ति दक्षिणः Sanat, the beginningless and endless factor. Sanat Natamaha, the most ancient. Kapilaha, the great sage Kapila. Kapihi, one who drinks water. Avyayaha, the, the one in who the universe merges. Swastidaha, giver of Swasti, Swastikrut, one who robs all auspiciousness. Swasti, one who is the source of all auspiciousness. Swastibuk, one who constantly enjoys auspiciousness. Swastidakshinaha, distributor of auspiciousness. 97th श्लोका अरौद्रः कुण्डली चक्री विक्रम्योजितशासनः शब्दातिगः शब्दसः शिशिरः शर्वरीकरः Araudra, one who has no negative emotions or urges. Kundali, one who wears shark earrings. Chakri, holder of the chakra. Vikrami, the most daring. Urjita Shasanah, one who commands with his hand. Shabdatigaha, one who transcends all words. Shabdasaha, one who allows himself to be invoked by Vedic declarations. Shishiraha, the cold season, winter. Sharvarikaraha, creator of darkness. 98th shloka. अक्रूरः पेशलो दक्षो दक्षिणः क्षमिणां वरः विद्वत्तमो वीतभय्यः पुण्यश्रवणकीर्तनः Akruraha, never cruel. Peshalah, one who is supremely soft. Dakshaha, prompt. Dakshinaha, the most liberal. Shaminamvaraha, one who has the greatest amount of patience and sinners. Vidvattamaha, one who has the greatest wisdom. Vitabhayaha, one with no fear. Punyashravana Kirtanaha, the hearing of whose glory causes holiness to grow. 99th श्लोका उत्तारणो दुष्कृतिः पुण्यो दुःस्वप्ननाशनः वीरः रक्षणः सन्तो जीवन पर्यवस्थितः Uttaranah, one who lifts us out of the ocean of change. Dushkrutiha, destroyer of bad actions. Punyaha, supremely pure. Duswapna, Nashanah, one who destroys all bad dreams. Viraha, one who ends the passage from womb to womb. Rakshanaha, protector of the universe. Santaha, one who is expressed through saintly mien. Jivanaha, the life spark in all creatures. Paryavastitaha, one who dwells everywhere. 100th श्लोक अनन्तरूपोऽनन्तश्री जितमन्युभयापः चतुरश्रो गम्भीरात्मा विदिशो व्यादिशो दिशः Anantarupa, one of infinite forms, Anantashri, full of infinite glories, Jitamanyu, one who has no anger, Bhayapaha, one who destroys all fears, Chaturashraha, one who deals squarely, Gambiratma, too deep fathom, Vidishaha, one who is unique in his giving, Vyadishaha, one who is unique in his commanding power, Dishaha, one who advises and gives knowledge. 101st अनादिर्भूर्भुवो लक्ष्मी सुवीरो रुचिराङ्गदः जननो जनजन्मादि भीमो भीमपराक्रमः Anadi, one who is the first cause, Purvavah, the substratum of the earth, Lakshmi, the glory of the universe, Suviraha, one who moves through various ways, Ruchirangadaha, one who wears resplendent shoulder caps, Jananaha, he who delivers all living creatures, Janajanmadi, the cause of the birth of all creatures. Bhimaha, terrible form. Bhima Parakramaha, one whose prowess is fearful to his enemies. 102. आधारनिलयो धाता पुष्पहास प्रजागरः ऊर्ध्वगः सत्पथाचार प्राणद प्रणवपणः आधारनिलयः the fundamental sustainer, Adhata, above whom there is no other to command, Pushpahasaha, he who shines like an opening flower, Prajagaraha, ever awakened, Urdhvagaha, one who is on top of everything. Satpatacharah, one who walks the path of truth. Pranadah, giver of life. Pranavah, Omkara. Panaha, the supreme universal manager. 103. प्रमाणं प्राणनिलयः प्राणभृत् प्राणजीवनः तत्त्वं तत्त्वविदेकात्मा जन्ममृत्युजरातिगः प्रमाणं he whose form is the Vedas prananilayah he in whom all prana is established pranabhrut he who rules over all pranas pranajivanah he who maintains a life breath in all living creatures Tattvam, the reality, Tattvavid, one who has realized the reality, Ekatma, the one self, Janma Mrityu Jaratigaha, one who knows no birth, death, or old age in himself. 104. Bhurbhava Swasarustarah Savita Prapitamaha Yajno Yajnapatiriyajva Yajnango Yajnavahanah भूर्भुव स्वस्वरुस्तरः भूर्भुव स्वस्तरुः means the tree of the three world. Tarah, one who helps all to cross over. Savitaha, the father of all. Prapitamaha, the father of beings. Brahma, Yajnaha, one whose very nature is Yajna. Yajnapatihi, the lord of all Yajnas. Yajva, the one who performs Yajna. Yajnangaha, one whose limbs are the things employed in Yajna. Yajnavahanaha, one who fulfills Yajnas in complete. 105. भयभृद् भयकृद् sorry भयभृद् भयकृद् यज्ञि यज्ञभुक् यज्ञसाधनः यज्ञान्तकृत यज्ञगुह्य अन्नमन्नाद एव च Yajnabrut, the ruler of the yajnas. Yajnakrut, one who performs yajna. Yajni, enjoyer of yajna. Yajnavuk, receiver of all that is offered. Yajna sadhanaha, one who fulfills all yajnas. Yajnantakruta, one who performs the concluding act of the yajna. Yajnaguyam, the person to be realized by yajna. Annam, one who is food. Annadaha, one who eats the food. 106. आत्मयोनि स्वयं जातो वैखानः सामगायनः देवकीनन्दनः स्रष्टा क्षितिशः पापनाशनः Atmayoni, the uncaused cause. Swayam Jatah, self-born. Vaikhanah, the one who cut through the earth. Samagayanah, one who sings the Sama song. One who loves hearing Sama chant. Sama means Samaveda. Devaki Nandana, son of Devaki, Srashta, creator, Kshitishah, the lord of the earth, Papanashana, destroyer of sin. 107. शङ्खभृद्नन्दकी चक्री शारङ्गधन्वागदाधरः तथाङ्गपाणिरक्षोभ्य सर्वप्रहरणायुधः सर्वप्रहरणायुध ॐ नम इति Shankhabrut, one who has divine Panchagnya Shankha. This is mentioned in Bhagavad Gita also. Nandaki, one who holds the Nandaka sword. Chakri, carrier of Sudarshan Chakra. Sharangadhanva, one who aims his Sharanga bow. Gadadharaha, carrier of Kaumodaki club. Rathangapani, one who has the wheel of chariot as his weapon, one with the strings of the chariot in his hands. Akshobhyaha, one who cannot be annoyed by anyone. Sarva Praharana Yudha, he who has all implements for all kinds of assault and fight. 108, and that's how we end uh, Sahasranam. श्रीमान् नारायणो विष्णु वासुदेवोभिरक्षतु वासुदेवोभिरक्षतु ॐ नम इति
So, guys, I hope you like the presentation. So far, we have covered all the shlokas of Vishnu Sahasranam. Great achievement for all of us. Stay tuned. There will be a lot of videos, lot of more videos on Vishnu Sahasranam. where we are going to discuss the benefits, how to chant, good practices, and so many more things in the same series. Thank you so much.